11K1045. It's 03 Avalanche, 5.3 automatic, 4-wheel drive, 136,972 miles. Front axle spinning, rear axle spinning. As you can see, it was a pretty much rollover. Okay, get some lights in there. Okay, so that works just fine. No radio to deal with. Manual temp control. Normal wear. Mirror with compass and temp. Appears to be functioning. All the 4-wheel drive and other notions and stuff. Alright, gray cloth interior. Left side's power, but you can see the trim panel is kind of broke here on the left. Otherwise, just needs a little cleanup, it looks like, apparently. Left side's power, right side is manual. Second seats, well, they're going to have some cleanup time too if you need them. This video brought to you by Morrison'S Auto, Edgerton, Wisconsin, 608-884-4436. Give us a call!